What's going on, guys? Jacob back up Suprema, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to set up access levels in the access control section for BioStar 2. Now that we're back into BioStar 2, the first thing that you need to do is you need to add a device. As you can see, I've got the extension 2 set up. The reason for this is because you need a device, you need a door, and then you can actually then start configuring the access control levels. So we're going to head over to the door. I'm going to quickly set up a door, so we're just going to call it test, and this will be using the access control level. So we'll see, just configure the door however you need it to be, so we'll just go with that basic. And the next thing you need to do, obviously, head over to access control. Now you have three options. You can have an access group, access level, or add floor level. We can ignore the floor level, we don't need to use that unless we're going to use an elevator, but for the part we will just do an access group, because you can configure the access level through the access group. So we'll just quickly go into there. So we'll have a few options here. You have your name, description, your rule, floor level, user group, and users. So we'll quickly just name it test. Description is test. You don't have to add the description, but you do need to add the name. So for the access rule, you can add an access level here, and this is why you needed the door. So we're going to quickly call it test. So on the right hand side, there's a little add button. Click that, and then you can select the door that you just configured. So the reason that you need to set this up is every time that you set up a new door in BioStar 2, if you don't have an access level or access rule for it, anybody that authenticates on it, no matter who it is, will unfortunately get an invalid access rule violation, basically. You can create a schedule as well based on when people need to access the door and stuff. So you click apply. Floor level we can ignore again, we're not going through a elevator. User group, so there's two options you can do. You can either do user group or based on specific users. We'll just do all users because that's what mostly these door groups are used for. But obviously with the user group you can select who specifically can gain access to this door without the user group. So you click apply, and that's it. That's basically your access control level set up. So just in good practice, it's always best to go to the device, right click, and delete data and sync devices to make sure that that access level gets pushed through to the device. Okay, so now that we're in the real-time log here, what we're going to do is just going to badge the card. And as you can see, the door unlocks and we don't get any invalid access rule violations. So I've been Jacob at Suprema, and this has been a quick tutorial on how to set up access levels in BioStar 2. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.